operations. There are total 3 set operations. Number 1, union. Number 2, intersection. And number 3, difference. First one is union. Union. The union of two sets A and B is the set containing those elements which are elements of A or elements of B. That is the combination of all unique elements from set A and set B. Here is the example. Now look at the definition, that what is the union? The union is just the combination of all the unique elements, means not repeat one element only one time from set A and set B. Now let's see the example. Set A contains 3, 4, 6. Set B contains elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now A union B, we start from the small number. Here the small number 1. Here is the A union B. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So this is the A union B. Basically A union B was just a combination of the elements of two sets, but these elements must be unique, means these elements should not be repeated. Now this is the set builder notation form of this set. This set is called the roster form. This set is written in the roster method, and this set is written in the set builder notation. Now what in the set builder notation we use the x variable. X variable represent the elements of the set. Here x is an element of A or x is an element of B. Same from the definition, elements of A or elements of B. So this is the union operation of two sets. Union operation can also be of two or more sets, is like 3 sets or 4 sets, but what does, it's simply the combination of two sets. Now the word intersection. Intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements that are in set A and set B. Only elements that are found in both sets. Here intersection means those elements which are in both sets, means in A and, here the word use and also in set B. Now you can see that here the number 3 is in A and also in set B, and the number 6 is in set A and also in set B. So the intersection will be 3, 6. Here these 3, 6 are those elements which are in both sets. So basically the intersection contains the elements of these both sets A and B. These 3 and 6 are also in set A and also in set B. Remember that in union we use the word or, and in intersection we use the word and. And means in both sets. Now this form is the roster form and this form is the set builder form. Here x, such that x is an element of set A, and the same from the definition, and x is an element of set B, means these two elements are in set A and in set B. So this is the intersection. Now the third operation is difference. The difference of sets A and B is the set consisting of elements in set A that are not in set B. So here simply what, that the from set A we minus, difference means the minus, we minus the elements of set B. For example, here the set A contains elements A, B, C, and the set B contains elements A and D. Now from set A, okay, from set A minus the elements of set B. Which one is the element of set B? A. A is also in set B, so we just simply this minus cut this element A. So what the answer will be? A minus B equal B comma C. So simply A minus B is from the set A minus the elements of set B. Here the element of set B is here A, so we just cut the A because D is not in A, so just these two elements B comma C. Now A minus B are the here X represent the elements such that X is an element of A and X is not an element of B. Now take this example. For example, this B comma C are elements of set A. This B comma C are elements of set A and X not belong to set B. And these B comma C are not an elements of set B. B contains A comma D and A minus B is B comma C. So A minus B is the set which contains the elements of set A but not contains the elements of set B. You can say that just it's the that from the set A minus the elements of set B. Now here let G is equals to T comma A comma N and H is equal to N comma A comma T. Now what would be the answer when we minus G minus H? Now you can see that here T also here T. So we minus T. A also A minus A. N also N minus N. So what the answer will be? 0. G minus H is equal to null set. 0 means null set means empty set having no elements. So difference is just basically what? Minus. So these are the three operations: union, intersection and difference. Union is what? Union is just the combination of two sets. Intersection is what? Intersection is just the same elements which are in both sets. We write thus in intersection. And difference what? Difference means minus the elements of set B from set A, that is A minus B. So these are three are set operations that we mostly used in sets. Thank you.